Hi, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa Sainode, and today we are making this delicious pasta and egg dish, and it's seasoned with a little bit of ham and cheese. This is so delicious and it's so easy to make. You're gonna love it. The wonderful thing about this recipe is it's fully customizable. We're going to start with about 6 eggs, and we're going to crack them and we're going to beat them slightly. This dish is actually very similar to pasta carbonara, but it has a few differences, including that it has more eggs, and we're not really making any kind of a sauce with these eggs. We're just going to bake the pasta into the egg. We're going to season our eggs with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. This is optional. And then we want a little bit of shredded cheese in our eggs. So I am using a Gouda cheese that I actually really like. I had this on hand. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. And of course you can use like a nice shredded cheddar or mozzarella or any kind of cheese that you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and shred my cheese. I have probably about a half a cup of shredded cheese. And then we also are going to season our egg with a little bit of ham. I have some prosciutto and some ham, and I'm going to go ahead and just slice them a little bit, and I'm going to add them to the egg. And this part, of course, is fully customizable. If you don't like ham, use chicken or turkey. That would be really good in here as well. You could also use bacon. Bacon would be really nice, or turkey bacon. If you do use bacon, you'd probably want to cook it first. But you can customize this any way you'd like. You could also go with just vegetables. You could use some caramelized onions or mushrooms. But you can season this dish any way you like. And now it's time to start assembling our dish. I have some pasta that's been boiled. This is just spaghetti. And I'm going to add a little bit of butter to it and then just mix that all in there. You can see my pasta is still warm, so that butter's just going to go ahead and melt. So I am using spaghetti. You could use linguine, you could use fettuccine, you could use just about any kind of pasta that you'd like. And little by little, I'm going to add that egg into the pasta and stir it in and let the egg get fully incorporated into the pasta. And I'm also adding the cheese into the pasta. You can add salt and pepper. You could add some Italian seasoning, but I'm adding my cheese. I'm going to stir that in. And then I'm also going to take my ham and my prosciutto, and I'm going to stir that into the pasta as well. And then I will add the other half of the egg mixture. And then when all of my egg and all of my ham and cheese is mixed in with the pasta, I'm going to take that whole mixture and I'm going to pour it into just any kind of a skillet. I have some melted butter at the bottom of my skillet, and I'm just going to take the whole mixture and put it in there. Then we're going to cover it and cook it on medium heat for about 15 minutes. And about 15 minutes later, that egg will help to have created a nice little crust on the bottom of our pasta dish. This is so good, and it's so easy, and it is so customizable, and it's really delicious. It's perfect for an easy dinner on a cold winter's night. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, give it a try. Let me know how it turned out. And you'll find more recipes, articles, and video at PennellCentral.com.